Wash your hands.
Today we're going to make soup using the stove. For that, you're going to need a can of soup. You will also need a pot with a lid, a spoon to stir in the pot, a can opener for your soup if it doesn't have the pop top like this one does, and then a bowl and a spoon for when you're done so you can eat it. The first step for us is that you need to open your can of soup. Some cans will look like this, and you'll have to use a can opener. This can has a tab on it, so we're going to pop it up and then hook our finger in and push down with our thumb and pull the top off. Okay, then we can rinse and recycle this piece. You're going to take your soup and pour it into your pot. This soup is ready to eat. You do not have to add water or milk or any other ingredients. So adding the soup is the last thing you need to do for this part. You're going to put your pot on the stove and put the lid on, and then turn the correct burner to medium heat. So for my medium is about a 5. It will depend on your stove top. Okay, and then we need to wait for it to heat. You'll know that it's starting to be heated when it starts to bubble just a little bit. We do not want it to boil. It's called simmer. When it's simmering, it will have just a couple of really tiny bubbles, and that's how we know it is hot and cooked all the way through. Now that my soup is simmering, I'm going to take the lid off and give it a stir. I'm going to turn my stove off and bring my bowl over to the stove and scoop carefully a couple of spoonfuls of the soup into a bowl. Okay, so now it's ready.
Let cool, then eat. Recycle can. Wash dishes.